Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to transfer money from Venmo to bank account. So the first step is to simply open Venmo, and then in the top left corner you'll see three lines. Simply tap on those three lines and then you'll see this menu here. And what you have to do is simply tap on payment methods, and then here you'll have to choose bank, and then you'll have to enter all your bank details, and then you'll have to go back here to this menu and then simply tap on transfer balance, and then here you'll have to enter how much you want to transfer to your bank account, and then choose instant or 1 to 3 business day. So as you can see, the instant one you'll have to pay some fees, but if you don't want to pay any fees, you'll have to choose 1 to 3 days. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.